Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. For this month we will be continuing to make more drinks, but for this month's theme we will be doing our fourth round of Juiceless July, where we'll be focusing on 5 different drinks that don't use fruit juices in their recipes. For this episode we will be starting off the month with the traditional New York egg cream. For this recipe you will need 3/4 to a cup of whole milk, 2 to 3 cups of club soda or seltzer water, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. This will make about 2 servings, so adjust as needed. First, it's important that everything is cold before mixing everything together, so make sure to chill your milk, club soda, and chocolate syrup in the fridge. Then, when you're ready to make your drink, pour the cold milk into your tall serving glass. Then, slowly add the very cold seltzer until the glass is nearly full and a thick white foamy head forms at the top. Next, pour the chocolate syrup directly into the center of the drink and gently insert a spoon into the center and rock it back and forth near the bottom of the glass to mix in the syrup without breaking up the foam on top. Serve this immediately while it's still fizzy and foamy, and with that, your New York egg cream is ready to drink. For this juiceless drink recipe, with today being 4th of July, I thought it would be fun to highlight a classic American drink for this country's 250th anniversary. This drink's origins come from the old-school soda fountains and Brooklyn diners of the early 1900s, but the etymology of its name seems to come from various different sources. It seems that some early versions of this drink did include eggs, but to save money during the Great Depression, most places opted to leave out the ingredient. Another possible origin of the name comes from a mishearing of either the Yiddish echt, meaning genuine or real, making an egg cream a good cream, or from mishearing someone ordering a chocolat egg crème, which eventually turned into egg cream. And of course, the simplest explanation comes from the drink's foamy head, which resembles beaten egg whites. In terms of the chocolate syrup to use, Fox's You Bet is considered the most traditional and authentic choice if you can find it, but any good quality chocolate syrup will work. For the milk, whole milk gives the best flavor and mouthfeel and creates the best bubbles, but you can use 2% or half and half if that's what you have on hand. But regardless of what exact ingredients you use, this chocolatey, creamy, and refreshing New York egg cream is a great way to enjoy a true taste of American nostalgia this summer. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything you want me to make next. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to or follow this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel. Happy 4th of July, everyone!